dear students. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the online classes. Today we are going to discuss the next chapter of literature, which is a poem. The name of our poem is How the Little Kite Learned to Fly, and it is written by Catherine Pyle. The poem How the Little Kite Learned to Fly is about courage. In this poem, Catherine Pyle has described about the kite who really wants to fly high into the sky, but it fears that it will fall down, but later on it tries, it gathers courage and learns to fly.
So let's start. I never can do it, the little kite said, as he looked at the others high over his head. I know I should fall if I tried to fly. So the poem opens with the little kite talking to the big kite. The little kite said that it could not fly high into the sky as it was afraid and feared that it would fall down if it tried to fly. Try, said the big kite, only try, or I fear you never will learn at all. But the little kite said, I'm afraid I'll fall. So here, the big kite tried to encourage the little kite, as the big kite feared that if the little kite would not try, then it would never be able to learn at all. But the little kite was afraid. It did not try to fly because of the fear of falling down.